To Bebet, Christine, Kaka, Coco, and Migs, and your families, please accept my and my family's gratitude for your father's legacy of service and our friendship. Know that you will always have a partner and a friend in us in Quezon City. Words will never describe the loss, but I hope your grief is assuaged by the knowledge that you have shared Boy with us, with the Mindanaoans, and with this nation. We will always be grateful. I now bid farewell to a statesman and a public servant and give him a staunch salute for a job well lived. It was a privilege to witness his dedicated service to the people. To Boy, pare, salamat, Godspeed.